What would you do if your girlfriend didn't get along with your dog? My girlfriend recently moved in, but I've had my dog for 7 years since he was just a puppy. The other night, she pushed him away and got upset about him sleeping in our bed. At first, she complained about the hair, so I washed everything and made sure we had clean sheets. But her aggression toward my dog is a big turn-off for me. She thinks my dog is jealous and doesn't like her, but I think she's being dramatic. I'd choose my dog over her any day. He's been my emotional support, teaching me how to cope with anger and depression. To me, he's family. Now I'm wondering if I should give her an ultimatum or just move on to someone who respects my boundaries. Am I crazy for prioritizing my dog over a new relationship?